Hello, welcome to the next video. We will do my garden. See what my garden look like. Okay, good. So let's see the seeds first. Then good. Oh, it's lagging. Okay, my garden. Seeds. Wait. Okay, my garden. It's the sunflower there. Got just sucked. Then here my celeste berry, moon mangoes, cacao for sprayed shock, pepper, bamboo. My house. This is the downstairs. We do a little parkour. There's some, I don't know how to decorate it. Then we go here. The wait, balcony. Yes, balcony. So it's very good this, because when you try to parkour here, it jumps you here. Okay, then I just planted mango because it was the quest. Spotlight. My tomato, the summer harvest, but there's no summer harvest anymore. Lilac.
Mango, hey, hello.